In this short video, I'll show you how to block someone on WhatsApp and report them if needed. Whether it's unwanted messages, spam, or harassing behavior, learning to block and report is essential to protect your privacy. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate these privacy concerns, including blocking troublesome contacts and dealing with reports. Together, we'll explore how to block someone and answer questions like, will the person know if I report them on WhatsApp? Stay with me until the end to learn about the top WhatsApp privacy settings for iPhone and Android. Now, let's get started on how to block someone on WhatsApp. A common question we get is, when you block someone on WhatsApp, what do they see? The answer is simple. They won't know they've been blocked, but they won't be able to contact you. Let's continue with the fix. First, open your WhatsApp and find the chat with the contact you want to block. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select More and choose Block. Confirm the block by tapping Block again. You can also choose to report them by selecting Report and Block. If you're dealing with an unknown number, here's what to do. Tap the block option directly when the message first appears. It's a quick way to avoid any future messages from them. Blocking a contact means they won't be able to send you messages, calls, or view your status. However, they can still see your profile picture and online status unless you change your privacy settings. We'll talk more about WhatsApp privacy settings in a bit. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to report someone on WhatsApp. To report someone, follow the same steps, but tap Report instead of Block. WhatsApp will receive the last 5 messages from the contact, but they won't be notified that you've reported them. If you're wondering, will the person know if I report them on WhatsApp? The answer is no. Reporting is confidential, and WhatsApp may take action without revealing your identity. Remember to check your privacy settings to prevent unknown contacts from adding you to groups, which is another way to maintain control of your WhatsApp experience. Talking about WhatsApp privacy settings, do you really know the secret WhatsApp privacy settings and how to adjust them? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the recommended WhatsApp privacy settings to keep your chat safe and protect your data on iPhone and Android. Click to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.